He turned $100 into $10,000 in just a few weeks. No luck, no gambling, just discipline, patience, and control. Or at least, that's what he thought, because a few days later his account hit zero. He didn't start as a genius. He wasn't one of those traders who just gets it. In fact, he struggled. A lot. Late nights staring at charts, watching YouTube videos, trying strategy after strategy. Nothing seemed to work. Every small win was followed by a bigger loss. Every time he felt like he was improving, the market reminded him he wasn't. But he didn't quit, he stayed. And slowly, things began to change. He stopped jumping from strategy to strategy. He picked one and stuck to it. He started journaling his trades and began to notice patterns, not in the market, but in himself. He realized something most traders never understand. The problem wasn't the strategy, the problem was him. It started small, turning $100 into $150. Then $150 into $300. Nothing crazy, but something felt different this time. He wasn't forcing trades anymore. He wasn't chasing the market. He was waiting, executing only when everything aligned. And for the first time, trading felt calm.
Days passed, then weeks, and the account kept growing. $300 became $800. $800 became $2,000. Then $5,000, and finally $10,000. That's when everything changed. Not on the charts, but in his mind. It started with one trade, just one. The setup looked good, but not perfect. Before, he would have waited, but now, he felt confident, too confident. The trade went against him, slowly. First, he ignored it. Then he started watching every tick, hoping it would come back. It will come back. Just give it time. But it didn't. The loss grew. Now it was bigger than he was comfortable with. But instead of closing it, he did something worse. He increased his lot size. Just this once. I'll recover it. But he didn't. $10,000 became $7,000. Then $5,000. Then $3,000. At this point, he knew he should stop. But he couldn't. Because now, it wasn't about money anymore. One last trade. Everything he had left. This is the one. I'll recover everything. But it wasn't. Within minutes, his account hit zero. No anger. No shouting. Just silence. He stared at the screen. Not shocked. Not surprised. Just empty. Because deep down, he knew. It wasn't the market. It wasn't strategy. It was him.